window tint bubbling, peeling, or just looking outdated? Before you replace it, here's how to remove it safely without damaging your glass. There are a few DIY ways to remove window tint, but the key is always the same: heat, patience, and the right tools. And remember, the professionals are known to make it look easy as well. For the first method, start with a heat gun or hair dryer and warm the tint evenly. This softens the adhesive underneath. Once it loosens, lift a corner and slowly peel the tint back at a 45-degree angle. Take your time. Rushing can cause tearing or leftover residue. After removal, spray soapy water or adhesive remover, then gently wipe or scrape with a plastic blade. Finish with a glass cleaner for a clean, streak-free finish. For stubborn or older tint, try the sun method. Cover the outside of the window with a black trash bag soaked in water. Inside the car, spray ammonia on the tint and cover it with that black trash bag. Let it sit in direct sunlight for 30 to 60 minutes. The heat and ammonia work together to loosen the adhesive, making it easier to peel off. A fabric steamer is another safe option. Steam the edges, slowly peel the film, and remove any leftover adhesive with a microfiber cloth. Always be careful around defrost lines and avoid metal tools on glass. If the tint is old, layered, or too stubborn to remove, it's best to call a professional. For a clean, damage-free result, trust Sun Control Minnesota for expert tint removal and installation.